Hey everybody, I am in my car, as you can tell, and I'm working, and I'm using this tool. I've actually been using it for a couple months now, and I've kind of been using it to see if I think it's worth it, if I think that it's really helpful before deciding to share it with you all or not. And honestly, I think that this tool is such a game changer for anyone who's in the Amazon influencer program, whether you're doing off-site commissions or on-site commissions. So I wanted to introduce you to this tool, what it is, what it does, but just know this video is just going to be like an introduction to show you around a little bit and what it's capable of, but not everything it's capable of, because I need to split that up into multiple videos that are a little shorter and not as overwhelming. But the tool itself is called Sordo X. I will put a link below if you want to check it out for yourself. And it is a tool for Amazon influencers. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you guys can see one way that I've been using this. So let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, so the tool itself is actually an extension. So it's a Chrome extension that I have installed up here on my computer. And that way, when I'm searching on my laptop or my desktop on Amazon, I'm able to use the features of this SortioX tool. So I'm about to show you one way that I've used this tool to see opportunities for different items. Maybe I'm in the market, because I am, for a slow cooker. So I went to Amazon.com just as I would, and I searched slow cooker to see which one it was that I personally wanted to purchase. If this is an item that maybe you already have at home, this could be a way to use this to see if there's opportunity also. So I'm going to decide pretty much what slow cooker to get based on, yes, the reviews and what I would normally look for in a product when I'm shopping around, but also based on the data that this tool gives me, because I want to make sure that there's opportunity for me to review it with the influencer program. So I searched slow cooker, and as we scroll down here, you can see that SortioX has given me all this data. It can be a little overwhelming at first, but again, I'm going to do multiple trainings and multiple videos on this tool. But what this does is pretty much shows us for this item above here, the ASIN, so pretty much like its unique product code, if you want to call it that, its rating, and then it also shows if there's a video carousel, meaning if there are influencer videos on this product, which in this one there's not. There's also going to show you here the video slots available, the number of influencer videos already on this product, if any. It's also going to show if you have a video on this product, shows up on the product page, units sold, if it's low in stock. Some of these will matter to you, some of them won't, but you can actually sort through it here and click off the titles that you don't want on these reports. And then it's going to show a few more things here, the bestseller rating, the affiliate commission percentage, and the affiliate commission dollar amount that you get for this item if you were to sell it. So this is the influencer commission as well. So this is what you get as an influencer, and then the affiliate commission is what you get as an affiliate, so aka off-site commissions. So I'm also going to show you up here on this little emoji that I'm going to click, that's going to organize all of the products on this page kind of in a condensed way, so it's not as overwhelming. So as I'm sorting through these, I'm looking for a slow cooker for myself to purchase, and I'm going to sort here by video slots available. I want to make sure that the product that I purchase has at least one video slot available, because I want to make sure that the video that I'm making has a chance of showing up on this product page. You can put a max of whatever number you want here. I think there's only right now about five or so videos showing up on a product, but at least have that one video slot. If you want to sort it by price, maximum price, the amount of reviews it has, how many units have sold, you can do that too. But I mostly have just been using it this way. And now it's sorted through and is only showing me products that have a influencer video spot available. This one particularly has 3 spots available. It looks like a double slow cooker. So I'm just going to scroll through here, and it also tells me that if there is or is not a video carousel, which is important because then that means that our video can show up on the product page. And this is going to help me determine which slow cooker essentially I am going to purchase, right? So maybe it's this Our Place cooker, which I actually like this brand. So I'm going to click on here. It also shows me if I sell each one of these, I get a $5.63 commission, which is pretty good. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to take me to the product page. And from here, I can just purchase this product as I normally would, right? Any other product. So if I purchase this product, I know that there's opportunity. I know the amount that I'm going to get per sale. I was just waiting for this to show up too. It's showing all that same data up here on the top as well. So again, opportunities because there's actually all the video slots available, but there is a video carousel to confirm, right? And it is honestly pretty good opportunity. Now it will say here the number sold, which is 0, a little concerning to me, but this could be a product if it ends up getting popular, if they start marketing, this brand starts marketing online, and who knows, one day it might be trending. So if this is something that I want to get, I can do so. You can sort again, if you go back to that page, you can sort and make sure that there's been, I don't know, let's say 1,000 units sold or whatever you want to put for the minimum. But I wanted to introduce you guys to this tool first, and one way that I've been using it to pick products that I might be in the market for that I know have opportunities. Again, the tool is called Sordo X. I'll put the link below for you guys if you want to check it out. It's honestly, in my opinion, I make the money back that I pay for the tool each and every month because of the opportunities that it finds me. This also has tons of features on the Creator Hub page, and it shows you a lot of other things as well, but this is just one of the ways, again, that I've been using it and wanted to show you guys. So if you want to check it out, I'll put the link below, and I'll be creating more videos on this tool in the future here.